Once you've downloaded the assets provided with this tutorial, you can either begin to populate your own After Effects project or pick one of the shots to use as a base and start remixing. After you've opened or imported one of the shots, you can see that the 3D renders come with an alpha channel along with the camera data. A good place to start could be downloading an image from Adobe Stock to use as a background for your scene. Enter a keyword within the search box to find your desired image. In this example, I'm going to search for a marble texture. This would look cool against the black and gold. Or you can search within the Creative Cloud Libraries panel inside of After Effects. Once you've found an image you like, click the cloud icon to save it to your preferred library. You can see it's automatically added to your libraries panel inside of After Effects. To import it into your project, simply right-click the thumbnail in the libraries panel and choose Import. With Adobe Stock, you work with watermarked previews of images and footage. When you're ready to commit to buying the asset, you can do so in just a few clicks, and the asset will be updated in your project file.